Shape. We see it everywhere we go. From the universe that we live in, the sun that we see, also from everyday life, in our wall, in our street that we walk past every day, in our selfie or photograph. We also look at the stairs and the shape that we take a close look on it. On the glass. Now we learn about how shape can differ from each other. Here, we make a two-dimensional shape. This is a rectangle. A rectangle have a dimension of length. Is two-dimensional. Now we're gonna make the same rectangle. Exactly the same rectangle, which we call it identical or congruent. Congruent is a mathematical term of exactly the same size. We call it identical, like a twins, because the dimension is exactly the same. We can see here that dimension exactly the same size. Now we're gonna make another rectangle that we copy from another one. Okay, let's start again, I think. We copy the first one and then we put it next to the second rectangle. Then we scale it. We try to scale it. Now we have the similar size of rectangle, but not the same size. We see that both of the rectangle have the same form, but they didn't have the same size. What we see here is a triangle. This triangle that we see is a triangle which is similar, but it's not congruent. Why is it? Because the first triangle is not actually the same size with the second triangle. Why is that? They have the similar shape. Both of them is triangle, but they have different size. On the left, you see a congruent triangle. Why it's congruent? Because it's exactly the same size.